I'm Megan Millington. I'm owner and operator of Coffee Crates, and I'm a newly budding business and cafe in Toronto. And last night I was closing up shop and went out and had a beer and fries at a local beer shop right beside us. And came back and I saw this book actually on the couch inside of this co-working space, and it intrigued me. A, because I'm known for making llama noises at work, and so I just thought it was really interesting. Someone said that I looked like a llama or something, and I said, oh, I gotta pick this up, I gotta read this with this actual farmer. And I really like how the book is structured so far. I'm just about a bit in, and it's really easy to read, and it seems very fun and straightforward. It seems to have real evidence of what I feel like I'm experiencing, and I'm ready to look and understand more of that marketing side of things, because it's something that, you know, is new for me. Yeah.